Welcome back sa Good Morning Boss. Ngayon naman, aalamin natin ang isang art exhibit na tinatawag na Idil-Fitir sa GSIS. Lahat ng yan dito lamang sa I Love My Culture.
Good morning mga boss! Nandito ako ngayon sa GSIS Museum para ihandog sa inyo ang Idil-Fitir at the GSIS, a celebration of the Bangsamoro culture and arts. Ma'am Amina, ano pong ibig sabihin ng Idil-Fitir para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, lalo na po sa aming mga Christian or Catholics?
Yung Idil-Fitir, ito yung end of the Ramadan season. Ito yung breaking of the fast. So, yung Eid is a celebration. So, pag sinasabi mong Idil-Fitir, yun yung dati rating tinatawag nating Hari Raya. The Arabic term is Idil-Fitir. So, yung greeting naman dyan, pwedeng sabihin Idil-Fitir Mubarak, Happy Eid, o ganon, Idil-Fitir Karim. Pero that is the end of the fasting, the 1 month of fasting on Ramadan. We're really very thankful na yung GSIS Museum decided to participate in this festival dahil kailangan ding magkaroon tayo ng showcase para mapakita yung kultura, yung kagandahan ng pamumuhay ng ating mga kapatid from the Bangsamoro. Makikita mo, andito yung mga handwoven textiles ng lahat ng tribo. Yung mga damit na pwede mong gawin out of the handwoven textiles. May musical instruments kami dito. Tapos, ang maganda pa dyan, pwedeng laruin ng mga pumapasok. They can try it. There's a drum. We have the kulintang. And I believe this kulintang set came from the Maguindanao. And then, we have the gabbang, which is the xylophone. And that gabbang came from Sulu. Yung sari manok naman, this is something we share in common with our brothers and sisters all over ASEAN. Dito sa atin, naging parang symbol na rin yan ng mga prosperity, especially if you see a sari manok na merong isda na nahuli. It's sort of like a symbol of prosperity na rin. We have paintings of Abdul Mari Imao and the sculpture of the sari manok. But we also have here on loan some paintings by younger Muslim artists, Moro artists who have been inspired by Abdul Mari Imao. A young man called Ramir Tawasil who's a Tausug from Zamboanga. Sa Zamboanga base naman siya. But, you know, sometimes we forget the fact that the artisans of old are artists in their own right. I mean, take a look at this, for instance. Etong tawag namin dyan, Tree of Life. Pero tingnan mo naman how painstaking ang pagkagawa nito. Wala nang gumagawa ng ganyan ngayon. And what we need to do is to really stimulate interest in the art of our people so that ma-revive ang kultura. This mat, for instance, which came from Dawi, this is art. There is an exhibit of selected pieces of artwork in San Francisco. Ang ginawa nila, tinapatan nila yung painting ni Mondrian with a painting, with one of our Bangsamoro handwoven textiles which come from my tribe. We call it yung piece, P-I-S. This is what we call the piece. This museum in San Francisco positioned yung piece na nasa collection nila across from the Mondrian. We should be so proud of our traditions, our culture, our weavers. Can you imagine to position this piece of handwoven textile across from a Mondrian? That is really amazing.
So lastly po, ano naman po ang mensahe nyo para sa ating mga audience?
Sana batiin nyo yung mga kaibigan yung Muslim o pag may nakita kayong Muslim na naglalakad, sabihin nyo sa kanila, Idil-Fitir Mubarak, Happy Eid. Matutuwa ho sila ng gusto. At ako ho ay nag-iimbita sa inyo, meron ho tayong exhibit dito sa GSIS Museum dahil ang management ho ng GSIS ay they decided na magkaroon ng Idil-Fitir at the GSIS Museum. And apart from GSIS, we will also have an art exhibit at the podium. Dito ho makikita nyo yung mga national artists natin gaya ni Arturo Luz, si Mr. Alquaz, and the only Muslim national artist, si Abdul Mari Imaw. After that, August 1 to 3, baka naman pwede kayong maimbita. Magkakaroon tayo ng Eid Festival. Dito naman may Tiangge. At may performances choreographed by the great director Floyd Quintos. This will be at SM North. August 1 ang opening, and it will last until August 3.
Ayan po, nakita natin ang collection ng Rasul family. It also includes paintings and sculpture ng kauna-unahang Muslim national artist na si Abdul Mari Imaw. Celebrate with us the diversity of the Filipino nation. Leilin Caragay para sa I Love My Culture.
Alright, maraming salamat kay Leilin Caragay.